Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to change your Gmail profile picture in the 2026 interface. Google updated a few menus, so yeah, this will show you exactly where everything is and how to update your photo without any confusion. All right, first thing, open Gmail and sign in with your Google account. Pretty standard stuff. Just enter your email and password like you normally do. Once you're in your inbox, look at the top right corner and click your profile picture. If you don't have one yet, it'll just show your initials. Yeah, that's totally normal. From the drop down, choose Manage Your Google Account. This opens the main Google settings page where your personal info lives. Now, on the left side, click the tab called Personal Info. This is where your name, birthday, and yeah, your photo settings are located. Under the Profile section, click on your photo area. You'll see an option to upload a picture from your computer or choose one from your Google Photos library. Pick the image you want, adjust the crop so it looks clean, and then save it. Once you save it, Gmail updates your profile picture across all Google services, like Drive, YouTube, and Maps. Sometimes it takes a minute to sync, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. And that's it. That's how you change your Gmail profile picture in the 2026 update. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and yeah, tap the bell so you never miss the next guide.